Hi, folks. I'm Peter Dyson from Delray Beach. I'm a personal injury lawyer. I'd like to talk to you today about what it means to have an aggravated condition. See, you may have back pain or shoulder pain or neck pain from something that happened before, but now you got into a crash or had a slip and fall, and all of a sudden it got worse, or an old injury that you haven't felt pain for years, it begins to rear its ugly head again. Today, I want to talk to you about how a jury views it and the two ways that we use to prove that the condition got worse to a jury. Having an injury or a condition before is so common that there's a special jury instruction on it. It is 501.5A. Listen, I'm not going to bore you by reading it. I'll summarize it for you. Basically, it says that if you have a condition that's aggravated or made worse, the jury can compensate you. The other part is if you have a latent condition that reappears, again, the jury can compensate it for you. And now I'm going to get into the two ways that we're going to prove that to a jury. The first way to help a jury understand how much worse things got or whether things reappeared after a while is to describe pain in four elements or four different ways so a jury really understands what has changed. Let me give you the first one. First is pain level intensity. Before it was a 2, now it's an 8. That is one way to describe it to a jury. The next way is duration. Maybe it only hurt for a half hour. Now it's all day or constant or takes up most of your day. That's another way a jury can compare before and after. The third way is called frequency, or how often it happens. Maybe before you hurt once a month, or you can go 3 or 4 months without hurting. Now it's every single day. Finally, the last way to help a jury understand what you're going through and how things have changed is a type of pain. Maybe it was an ache, a dull ache, but now it's sharp, it's burning, or it's electric. You have to be able to describe it in these terms to help a jury understand what you're going through. The last way that we can show a jury how things got worse or reappeared is by talking to our doctors and having the doctors testify. Maybe there's a radiological scan, an x-ray, or an MRI that shows things got somewhat worse. Without going too much into the science, maybe a disc was out 3 millimeters, now it's out 5 millimeters. That shows that it got worse. The other way is that doctors can do different types of tests, or maybe your treatment is different. All these things will show how a condition was aggravated, or a latent condition, a condition you didn't need treatment for, all of a sudden got reactivated, and now you need treatment. Some of you are hesitating because you've been hurt before, but this is so common that there's a standard jury instruction on it. Call us today and we'll work with you and your doctors to show how this injury got worse and is affecting your life. Our telephone number is below, or you can go to our website.